In a high-speed consumer goods plant, the silence of stop production line is the most expensive sound there is. We recently partnered with a leading manufacturer who wanted to break that cycle of reactive maintenance. They needed to know what's happening inside their equipment before the failure forced them to stop. Our first step was to fit more than 500 critical assets with smart sensors, connected them to the cloud running the ABB Ability digital powertrain software. Straight away, they got the real-time intelligence from their drives and motors that told them how each was performing. Now they know exactly what to fix and exactly when to fix. It's already saved them over 160 man-hours that could have been lost in emergency repairs. At ABB, we do not just monitor your assets, we actually turn data to predictive actions, so your operations never miss a beat.
ABB, asset health and monitoring you can count on.